This is a test of Restream, and I've set it up to be live on both YouTube Live and on Facebook. I'm recording this using Screencast-O-Matic. I also have my YouTube channel on another tab in the browser and Facebook in a third tab. I'm going to switch over now to the one in YouTube and see what it looks like there. And I guess it's working here. So I'm going to change over to Facebook and see what it looks like on Facebook. Oh, there we go. You can see here it is working on Facebook. Let me start it. There we go. You can see here it is working on Facebook. You can see here it is working on. And that's enough of this test. Thanks, folks, for bearing with me. I know what to do the next time when I have something important to pass along, and I'll be able to do it on both Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for sticking around for this test. Bye-bye. I'd say that was a successful first test.